Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all today?
Fine, sir.
Okay, so dear students, today once again, welcome to this economic class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so by the way, tell me the date of the day today. What is the date?
16, sir.
Very good. 16th of June. Let me write over here. Date. Okay.
Yes, sir.
16th of June. And subject?
Economics,
Yes,
sir.
very good. Economics. Okay. And what is the topic that we have been discussing so far?
Story of village Palampur,
Yes,
sir.
the story of village.
Palampur.
Is it interesting, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. The story of village Palampur. Okay, very good. Okay. Then the subtopic. Could you tell me the subtopic?
Sir, we're dealing with factors of production.
Yeah, it is related to factor of production.
Uh,
So-
land, sir.
Yes, very good. So
Fixed
we can-
capital, sir.
Yes, in one word we can, or in one sentence we can say this way: farming in Palampur. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
it consists of everything. Okay. Farming in Palampur. Very good. Okay, so dear students, today before I move on to some other subtopics under the same topic, the story of village Palampur, I'll ask you a few questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
Based on what we discussed, what we studied, what we saw in the previous class, last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, in the previous class, last class, we saw about land as a fixed resource, right?
Yes, sir.
Land as a fixed resource. And then we talked about the kind of crops grown in Palampur village, right? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
based on that, I will ask you a few questions, okay? So, how many percentage of people are, fully engaged in farm production, especially in Palampur?
75%,
Yes,
sir.
fantastic, very good. You remember, very good. So 75% of people are engaged in the production, okay,
Yes, sir.
in Palampur village. Okay, so what do you mean by the cultivable land?
That means the land has capacity to produce.
Yes, the land which is used for cultivation, or land which is being used, okay, or that the land which is cultivable, okay,
Yes,
that can be
sir.
cultivated, okay. So this is about the you understand the meaning of cultivable land, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dear students, then we talked about the kind of crops, isn't it,
Yes,
grown in
sir.
the Palampur village. So in rainy season, which is known as Kharif crop, okay. So what kind of crops they grow in the rainy season in Palampur?
Sir, this is Bajra, sir.
Yes, Jowar and Bajra. Fantastic. You remember. Fantastic. Good. Good. And what about in the winter season?
Wheat and potato,
Yes,
sir.
in the winter season, wheat. Okay, mainly wheat. Okay. So after having understood the what we have discussed in the previous class, let us now move on to some other subtopics, okay, under this one only. So today mainly we'll discuss about the ways in which the farmers are producing more and more from the same fixed of land, okay,
Yes, sir.
same fixed the plot of land, that is a fixed resource, but with that only they are able to cultivate more and more, okay. They are
Yes,
having
sir.
more and more production, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
we'll discuss about that, and we'll discuss about the multiple cropping and all, okay.
Yes, sir.
How with the help of these they are able to cultivate more and more, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help of slide, I will make you understand, okay. So
Yes, sir.
Paul, could you help me
Yes, sir.
showing the slides? Okay, very good. Meanwhile, I put this one down, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, so
Yes,
meanwhile I
sir.
put this one down. Yes, can you see all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll make you understand, okay? A very simple way. Ways through which we can increase the production from the same fixed resource, which is land, okay?
Yes, sir.
So the first one, how we can have the more production from the same fixed of land. The first one is what?
Multiple cropping.
Yes, multiple cropping. In simple words, I have put it here, okay, for you to understand. Okay, to
Yes,
grow
sir.
more than one crop, okay, on a piece of land. To grow one crop or more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as what?
Multiple crop.
Multiple cropping.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So with the help of the photograph, the photos, I'll make you understand. Okay. So
Yes,
for time
sir.
being, you understand this much. Okay. Grow more than one crop from the same fixed of land.
Yes, sir.
Okay. During the year. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you should not misunderstand with this. Okay. Here, you please pay attention. This
Yes, sir.
mixed cropping. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Multiple cropping is different and mixed cropping is different. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what does this mixed cropping say? Okay. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the same time period, okay, is known as mixed cropping.
Yes, sir.
Right. Here one after the another and here at the same time.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
mixed cropping. The same plot of land, the many crops are grown. Okay,
Yes,
so that
sir.
is known as mixed cropping. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll show you the pictures. Okay. Yes. This is the example of mixed cropping.
Yes,
See, can you
sir.
see? Maize, soybean,
Yes, sir.
mixed cropping. Same plot of land, same time period. Crops or more than two crops are born. Grown in the same plot of land. Okay, the
Yes,
same
sir.
time period. So this is about what?
Mixed cropping,
Mixed
sir.
cropping. Same plot of land but many crops. Okay, grown. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see the next slide. Here, this is about multiple cropping.
Yes,
See?
sir.
One after the another. This is, you should not misunderstand with the mixed.
Yes,
Mixed means
At
within
that
the
time
same
different,
period.
yes,
Okay, within the same period. Okay. Suppose you grow this one, at the same time you grow another also the same time.
Yes, sir.
But multiple cropping is different. This is one after the another. Suppose you grow this one or you cultivate rice. Okay. Then afterwards, once this is over, then immediately you switch on to where? You
Another
grow
crop, sir.
Another crop soybean. Then once this is over, then you go to groundnuts. Then again you go to corn. Then once that is over, then you go to sugar cane and then cotton.
Yes, sir.
So one after the another. Okay, more than one crops during the year, not at the same time period. Okay, should
Yes,
not
sir.
misunderstand with the mixed cropping and the multiple cropping. You should have the differences, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you are getting.
Yes,
Let's see
sir.
the next slide. Okay. So first one we saw the ways in which we can have more production
Yes, sir.
from the same plot of
Resource.
land. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The first one was multiple cropping. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that way we can have more and more production. Now here, irrigation. Okay. This is another one through
Yes,
which we
sir.
can have more production. Irrigation. See, I'll make you very simple here. Simplify the things in order to make you understand clear. Okay. To increase farm production from the fixed resource land. See, two crops mainly in the year, Kharif and Rabi. Mostly
Yes, sir.
farmers are cultivating this, two crops in a year. Okay. Kharif and Rabi. Okay. So, this Kharif crop is, cultivated when? During the time of monsoon.
Yes,
So
sir.
that time it doesn't require irrigation at all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because fully dependent on rain.
Yes,
All the time
sir.
and again it's raining. So this kind of crop doesn't require extra irrigation facility. Right?
Yes, sir.
So rain is sufficient for the irrigation.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
But on the other hand, Rabi, okay, This is in another words we can call it Jait in our words, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Jait means during the summer. So let us understand this one, Rabi. The next slide. See, Rabi or Jait, sown in winter and harvested in summer.
Yes, sir.
So doesn't rain, that time it doesn't rain, okay? That is not the time for monsoon. So it
Yes,
requires
sir.
fully on irrigation facility. So it depends on the irrigation at different levels. See, as it grows, that time it requires water.
Yes, sir.
When it sprouts, that time requires water. Then bears fruit, then again requires water, isn't it?
Yes,
and then
sir.
when it gets ripe, right?
Yes, sir.
So at different levels, this kind of crop requires water, irrigation, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here now, these two bullets make you understand. So, the farmers who don't have the irrigation facility grow only one crop in the year, the crop of rainy season, right?
Yes, sir.
Those who don't have the what irrigation facility,
Yes, sir.
they they cultivate only one crop in a year, and that is known as rainy. The kharif crop. Okay, but when irrigation facility can be provided, then more crop can be grown in the Rabi and Jait season as well. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
when this irrigation facility is provided to them, so they can have more than one crop in a year, right?
Yes,
Kharif
sir.
and Rabi. Okay.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Okay, very good. Let us see the next slide. Okay. So this is the irrigation through tube wells.
Yes, sir.
Then wells, canals, ponds, sprinklers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the irrigation through. These are the means, okay, for irrigation in the villages and all this, isn't it?
Yes,
Tube
sir.
wells are there, wells are there, canals are there, ponds are rivers and all, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see this one picture over here.
Yes,
Does
sir.
it make any sense to you?
Very much,
Yes.
sir.
So canal is there and see pipe is installed, okay? Then they are having the irrigation.
sir.
Okay. See now. So with the help of irrigation facility, farmers can have more production with the fixed plot of land through multiple cropping. So now we saw three main reasons why the farmers are able to grow more. Grow more and more crops or having more and more production. First one, cropping, the multiple cropping. Second one,
Yes.
irrigation. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, with the help of irrigation, farmers can have more production with the fixed plot of land. Now the third one, electricity.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
electricity. So, when the irrigation is added to electricity, again we can have what? More and more
Production, sir.
production. Okay, now see the next slide. Okay, so earlier irrigation through canal and so on. So earlier the irrigation was not electrified,
Yes, sir.
right? The electricity or the irrigation facility was not electrified. So they were having irrigation through canal and all, and it was taking lot of time.
Yes, sir.
Right? Suppose canal is far away, connected to the river, then it takes time, isn't it, for
Yes,
the water
sir.
to come. But when the second bullet. But now when this irrigation facility is electrified, you can draw water from the tube well, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Deep down, that can be immediately, we can get the water. Far away ponds, okay? The ponds are far, but you can install the pipes and then machines, and also with the help of those things, when it is electrified, you can have easy access to
Yes,
water,
sir.
isn't it? Within no time, you can have the irrigated line, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Irrigate the line, okay? The rivers and wells draw water from the deep down, okay? So through the use of motors. So when everything is electrified, you can have the faster irrigation and you can have more and more production, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you all getting, students?
Yes, sir.
So this is the conclusion we can draw now, okay? So when the irrigation facility was electrified, farming in Palampur got boosted up,
Yes, sir.
okay? Earlier when it was not electrified, so of course they were having the irrigation facility, but it was bit slow, right?
Yes, sir.
But when everything was electrified, then everything was very fast. Okay, even
Yes,
the production grow very high. I mean, it grow very soon. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then so electricity transformed the system of irrigation. Okay, the use of machines and all, everything was electrified, so that transformed the system of irrigation. Then production in the farm course is speed with the help of electricity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, are you all getting?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Now this is the situation. Okay, the situation of irrigation and electricity in our country. Now when we that the whatever we saw, how the production process, I mean, carried out in Palampur, and all the facilities available in Palampur. So when you compare this one with the country, okay, in our
Yes,
country.
sir.
So when we talk about the production process in Palampur, how did they increase the production process? Through multiple cropping, irrigation, and everything. Whenever it was electrified, right?
Yes, sir.
So that way production process went so high. Okay, but so when we talk about the country as a whole, every part of the country is not lucky as Palampur.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Does it make any sense to you?
Yes, sir.
In Palampur, all the facilities are there. That's why the production is so high, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
when we talk about the country as a whole, so every part of the country is not lucky as Palampur. All the facilities are not there in every part of the country. That's why you see the next slide. Some part of the country suffering from problem of irrigation, right?
Yes, sir.
Some part of the country suffering from the problem of
Electricity.
That's why, like Palampur, every part of the country is not growing, okay,
Yes,
in
sir.
production. It's not not able to have more and more production, right?
Yes, sir.
Hope you have understood. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
before I give you the home assignment, just I want to recapitulate, okay?
Yes,
so far what
sir.
we have discussed. Okay, so I'll ask you a few questions based on what we discussed right now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, what is the reason behind that the farmers are able to grow more and more crops, or farmers are able to have more and more production?
Because of
Three reasons mainly I gave you.
yes, sir. One is multiple cropping.
Yes, fantastic. First one is multiple cropping.
Then irrigation
Yes,
facility.
irrigation facility.
Electricity.
Yes,
everything
very
is
good,
there,
very
sir.
good, very good. When irrigation was there, but then afterwards, when electricity was added,
Yes, sir.
everything was electrified, then the production went so high.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Fantastic. Okay, the second question is, what do you mean by multiple cropping?
Multiple cropping means one after the another, sir.
Yes, one after the another in a year, okay?
Yes, sir.
More than one crop, okay? One after the another. I showed you the picture also, okay? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Then what is the other way of for higher production?
Yes, sir.
What is the other way for higher production?
One is like ponds, wells.
Okay, very good. So in other way we can like electricity, that means we can say the
Yes, sir.
modern farming method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, I am quite happy that you have grasped the lesson so well. Keep it up, okay? Keep it up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, keep it up so that you can have the better understanding. Okay. So students, thank you so much for being so patient and listening to me attentively. Keep it
Yes,
up, okay?
sir.
So, once again, thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
So here students, can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes,
Home
sir.
assignment. Do irrigation and electricity help in more cultivation? Give reasons in support of your answer. Is clear
Yes,
to you
sir.
all? Okay, so thank you and have a good day.
Yes, sir.